Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify the instrument. This is the instrument. This end, if you magnify, you will get this. So, if you see, these blades are actually long, thin blades. And if you see at the end, this end, you will see presence of a hook is present at the end. So, what is this? This is actually a bladder neck retractor. It is bladder neck retractor. So what is its used? As the name says, it is used to retract bladder neck during bladder surgery. It is used to retract bladder neck during bladder surgery. So this is about bladder neck retractor. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.